GM and welcome to a new video. This time we're gonna take a look at sUSD, but before we start, as always, this is no financial advice. I'm just gonna show and explain to you what sUSD is all about. So Solayer has introduced sUSD. This is a digital currency on the Solana blockchain that maintains a 1-to-1 value with the USD dollar. By holding sUSD in your wallet, it allows your balance to grow automatically, similar to earning interest in a savings account, and this is why they are calling it your savings account on Solana. Solayer is a platform on the Solana blockchain that focuses on enhancing network security, efficiency through restaking mechanisms. Beyond sUSD, their offerings include restaking services and actively validated services. But in this video, I just want to focus on sUSD and explain what they did with that. Okay, let's take a look at the website to understand better what sUSD is all about. As you can see here, sUSD, your savings account on Solana. So what does that mean? What I mean by that is they have this yield bearing feature. That means your balance grows over time without any action needed. So the yield comes from investment in real world assets, here mostly in T-bills, as they explain on the website as well in detail. And that's the interesting part, it's automatically added to your sUSD holdings. So if you hold sUSD, then you automatically gain yield on it, and currently that's 4.23%. So on the website you can always see how much that is. Just gonna scroll real quick through the website. You can see a lot of partners. If you're active in the Solana ecosystem, then you probably know most of them, like Orca, Wormhole, Mayan, and so on. Here's a quick overview. It's fully permissionless. You get an instant mint and redeem accessible to all. That's also interesting. So no long lockup periods or anything like that. I explained the RWA part of this with the T-bills. The auto rebase interest is basically this yield bearing mechanism that I told you about, and you can delegate it to decentralized apps to boost security and amplify the yield. They go into detail how this actually works here, more in detail what it can be used for, but we already been through that, so it's more interesting now to actually go to the platform. How does that work? You can access the sUSD app. The link to this is also down in the description. Then you're already at the sUSD restaking part. Here's a lot of infos and FAQs. How does the withdrawal process work? For example, the user sends back sUSD to initiate the process and sends back USDC. So what you need is just having USDC, and a simple thing is just to connect your wallet and then basically swap USDC for sUSD. I don't have any USDC in this wallet here right now, but if you enter an amount here, like let's say 10 USDC, 0.5 is the minimum, I think, then you can hit on deposit, sign the transaction, and then you can actually track your progress and your yield here in this dashboard. And that's actually already it. You can also go to DeFi and put something in a vault or provide liquidity. That's all possible, as with most of crypto and stablecoins. But for now, that's the basic explanation of what sUSD is all about. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments. And apart from that, see you next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and yeah, see you in the next video.